Esikhungo esiphezulu senhlangano ebusayo sisanda thatha isinqumo sokuthi bonke abaholi beqembu abathweswe amacala enkohlakalo mabashenxe kancane esikhundleni zabo. uMakhashule uthi iqembu elibusayo lisazothatha isikhathi ukuthi lixazulule lolu daba. uLindiwe Ntshali osabambile njengonobhala wasesifundazweni saseMpumalanga uthi uMakhashule umsulwa futhi akanaqala ngeke futhi bevume ukuthi ashenxe esikhundleni sakhe.
How many of our comrades that have been charged that are sitting in that NSA? How many of our comrades that their names has been mentioned at the Zondo Commission? Have they stepped aside? Were they taken before the courts? No. So some of them even are still appearing in courts. Why do you target one person?
I'm going to ask either NPA or the Hawks or whoever, if you are to charge any person, be sure about your case. Don't try to bring pretended justice, wherein we want to show the fight against corruption and use Makhashule as a guinea pig of that when they are actually corrupt people in our society.
Ezinkulungwane zabalandeli baMakhashule bafikile bazomsekela lana eBloemfontein kodwa abakazwanga ukulalela unobhala wabo ekhuluma nabo ngoba imigomo yalolu bhubhane leCovid-19 ayimvumeli ukuthi kube khona emhlangano yezepolitiki.
We walk straight to prisons to show that we are not afraid. Even if we are persecuted, we'll go to jail, we'll even come back from jail. But we'll remain with the masses of our people. We'll never run away from our people. The Secretary General will never run away from you. Is not here, comrades, because he respects the regulations. Why here respecting the regulations?
Ngingusamkele Maseko, wezindaba ze-SABC, esifundazweni sase-Free State, eBloemfontein.